mambo na technician. So yeah, hapa ndani is you know, anatengeneza masimu. This is the machines za kutengeneza simu. Usijali, it's so funny. Plus and 72-inch television hapo. And then there's some electronics and you know, some battery nini za kuuza, you know. So yeah, I believe zile best ni za kuoshia watu vichwa nini and yeah, the tools of work ziko no, jamaa wamejipanga, you know, and there quite a number of them here. So yeah, it's that day. So I'm in there spare part to you know, for my phone. That's why I'm waiting here. And since it's a funny story, it's on Saturday. So this guy, I don't know the idea behind. Today's on Saturday, which is a day for the Seventh-day Adventist Church, the SD of which I am too. But now the funny thing is, most SDAs, let's say when you wanaenda kanisa, do go to church asubuhi, but most believe that their worshiping day start on Friday 6 sunset to Saturday 6 sunset. That from what I think it is. But to others, wakishatoka kanisa they chill, then in the afternoon from maybe 4 to or 5 wanaweza fungua biashara. I don't know. Ama kama hajaenda anaweza shinda kwa nyumba the whole day, then in the evening amwe kufungua saa biashara. I don't know the logic behind it, but yeah, it's what it is, man. But funny story to our brothers and sisters who are the ALCK, the Catholic and such, our Sunday. These guys can go for the morning service, then after lunch, immediately after lunch hivi washafungua biashara. Pesa muhimu, but yeah, regardless, poverty is the enemy, man. Poverty is the enemy. So yeah, vijana tujitume, cause for a real man, you can't just depend on the government to give you a job. It's not that easy. Since I finished school, let me say, maybe if I could have found a job, maybe I won't be doing some YouTube videos, but I know I would be, because of the passion I have for it, man. I believe YouTube is a big platform that, you know, if you try to build it vizuri nini itakujenga proper. So yeah, gonna watch, like the video, share and subscribe. Funny thing, I started getting some gray hair, man, on my head. Nywele za gray kwa kichwa, man, but it's hereditary, so hapo sijishuku kitu. Hapo sijishuku. So yeah, man, thank you so much for the support. So yeah, let's document this journey as it is. As it is. So yeah. Yo, what up my people, how are you doing, man? Thank you so much. Welcome to my YouTube channel, man. Make sure subscribe, like, comment and share. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much. I salute you, man. Thank you for the support. Make sure before usonge mbali sana like video, go just subscribe here, rusha subscription. So it's on a Saturday. Mbona nakaa hivi? Okay. My eyes are red, nashanga. Okay, man, thank you so much for the support. Welcome back to my life, man. It's on a Saturday. Amina. Keep shop ya it's a kinyozi and it's a fundi wa masimu place in this locality. Walisema don't judge a book by its cover. Maybe this guy unaweza ona hivi, it's not that classy shop, but the technician anajua what to do. So yeah, out of the trust I'm here. So acha tutengeneze simu, ameenda spare part and yeah. Thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, support, and let's go. Thank you.
Kitu ya kwanza naona mmejam tu sana. Mmejam karibu mnataka kuwaka moto kama dragon.
Hello fam, how are you doing man? Usijam tu sana man, so it's a very sad day man. My iPhone 15 Pro Max, fell down, and it's so sad man. So size assume. Okay, I have one which I'm using to record, but my iPhone 15 broke. Ilianguka chini jana man nikipanda stairs, and it's so sad. And it's a gift had been given by somebody I adore so much. So I got the back screen, the back view of the phone, and going, as you saw from the video I was in hapo kwa fundi. As you saw, regardless of the place you saw, lakini ni fundi wa iPhones, and yeah, he tried to help me out, lakini I didn't go through. So yeah, and wish I could remain with my Techno. Techno ni easy cooperate and something like that. Not even operating, but even in case of any breakage unaweza afford. Techno screen almost 2500 if not 1500 one, but iPhone 15, but it's okay, it's a challenge. So sad, but luckily nimeweza kusaidika, and yeah, here's my iPhone 15. Just see how imetengenezwa, but ili crack. Yeah, that's my iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Umeshikwa bana. It's a prank. Umekuwa prank for the first time. Thank you. My phone had an issue. This is my very first phone when I joined Campo. That's kitambo man. Ndio simu nilinunuliwa. It's a Techno what? I can't recall. Before I bought myself the phone I'm using na zingine, yeah, it had an issue, na that is one that we are going to replace, or rather to repair, but it's okay now. Yeah, here it is, my iPhone. Mikula miaka but usijali. This is the iPhone Techno. Yeah. So aside from that, as I said earlier, nilikuwa nipatana with my colleague who we were in campus together, but it didn't go as planned. So msijali about that. And yeah, out of technology, sahi I'm using this background, so huwezi jua what's going on in my background. So that's the beauty of technology. So thank you so much man. So watching this video, make sure you subscribe, you like, comment and share, and you love you so much. As I said, itakuwa day to day documentation of my life progress man. From now onwards we'll be doing this, the content, I'm the content, and I'll be doing my best at least to jipange, at least mambo equal fiti, as in we grow together, and that's the vibe. Kama kuna job Kenya, jitafutie shughuli ya kufanya. Don't wait man, don't sit, just do something up your sleeve and jitole. So yeah, Make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, and share, and let's meet up next time. Bye bye. Oh, as I was saying, this is an effect I'm using. So sijali, you can't see my background, or rather the background I'm using in a Kaigo. So don't worry, man. Let's embrace technology as it comes on you for our own use. Nguka nayo. Make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, and share. Bye bye. Let's catch up next time.